Yo, it's Wooly from S3 Magazine. We're about to get a surprise motor for my CRX. So I've had this car for like 10 years now. 1988 Honda CRX. It's rough, it's gutted, there's no padding on the seats. It's lived a hard life, but like a lot of these Hondas of this era, it's kind of loved it, right? And if we're being honest, even though I still love the car, I haven't been treating it as if I loved it. It's embarrassing to say, or it hurts to say, to self-realize it, but that's about to change. Because I just got a K20A, and I'm really excited about it. I'm guessing it's the slammed out BMW house. What's up, guys? We should get some stuff of the goodness so we can see. Yeah.
Valve cover.
That's cool.
I set it aside for 3 years at my sister's house.
Yeah.
And there's some activity across the top, but the harness is clean.
Did I just waste my money?
No.
Our money?
You're going to take what's kind of historically been our most popular car. You're going to finally put a motor worth of crap in it. So, all right, so tell me what you got here. I know it's a K, but which K is it?
K20A.
Okay.
RSX Type R.
Okay.
Out of Japan, so a JDM engine.
And it's a full
High
setup,
revving,
transmission,
high
everything.
power. Transmission comes with LSD.
You got clutch.
Yep.
Kind of looks pretty complete.
Got a pretty dope little flywheel, but I'm sure we'll probably put a new clutch and flywheel in it.
I hope it is as plug and play as possible. I'm excited though, because you're going to take an already super light, you know, pretty well handling car, and you're going to give it some balls. That's going to be a fun build.
I'm heading over to United Speed Racing, better known as USR, and we're gonna start sorting all this stuff out, seeing what we got, seeing what we need to get, and getting ready to stick this thing in that.
Good one.
Needs to be a halo around it. School the people and me. This is K20A, right?
Yep.
DC5 Integra Type R.
Yep.
Which for us is an RSX Type R, which we never got here.
Yep.
Cool thing about the transmission, limited slip.
Limited slip, short gear ratios, pretty close ratio transmission, and you know the factory limited slip is always nice.
So this K20A, what does it rev to? I guess that's
9, I think.
yeah. See, that's what I was looking for, man. I want high revving, high fun. Yeah, so like the point of today is to dump this thing off here at USR to figure out exactly what we've got and what we need.
Yeah, and then
Because my big fear is, like, historically I go down this road, I take apart a running car, and then 3 years later
still not.
I just sell it all for something cheap to somebody. So I don't want that to happen this time.
Yeah.
I want to try and like have a plan of attack. That's where USR and Jason and Chinchi come in, because at least you know what you're looking at. You know, like I did my B16, shoot, that was like 8 or 9 years ago. And I did that in my buddy's garage, but it's hacked. I mean, it's been running like a champ. It really has, but like, I would just cut injector wires and you know, solder it and fix it, and that's kind of how we figured it out. Yeah. That's the plan. Let's figure out what we got here. Hopefully it's majority good news. Shout out to Bryce who sold me this thing. works at Honda Mall of Georgia. Good dude. And went through, and I'll have to show you the harness, labeled everything. Did much more meticulous than I would have been. All right. And then we got the randoms right here. Odds and ends. ECU. What ECU is this?
CRC.
That's good?
Yep.
All right. What's up with this one?
Two neutrals.
Did you break it again? 2 neutrals.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can put it in 4th gear and let out the clutch and walk away. And the idles and purrs like a kitten. Do you have daddy issues?
Maybe.
Is that the air?
The motor is here. Need to get the car here.
Transmissions.
Transmission's here, but what stresses me out about this is like all the little crap that I'm afraid is going to roadblock me.
We need mounts,
We need mounts.
axles,
I should be writing this down.
wire harness part.
Is there any need for like hot
I just
axles?
put some good axles like in my pit. I used killer shafts, or same shafts or whatever. That H cells.
How do I go from hot cable transmission to hydraulic?
So we're gonna have to get a hydraulic cable to hydraulic conversion. Shouldn't be too hard.
That's a cool
Or
setup.
we can put maybe put a hydraulic pedal somewhere in there. And smash it
Will we
over.
make that stuff? Yeah.
So I do make a pedal assembly. Do you have a connection with it?
I do.
Well, we could just put a pedal assembly if you want to get crazy.
Alright, so that's the plan. I'm gonna go to work on, hopefully you guys can see that whole thing. That's my feet.
You're good people.
I'm gonna go to work getting the odds and ends parts and then bring the CRX over here. Is there anything you want to say?
Peace.